Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I have a cool video for you because I'm going to show you just how you can use TradeUI's option flow indicator to give yourself a trading edge and 10x your accounts. So I want you to sit back with me and let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, when you click on that link in the description below, it'll take you to TradeUI where you can use your option flow indicator to set up the parameters that we need for day trading. So I'm going to ask my DTE, I'm going to set to 10. My minimum premium, I'm going to set for 100,000. So remember, if you've seen videos in the past, you know exactly what we're doing here. We're setting a DTE, basically option contracts that are 10 days or less. This tells me these are day traders buying these, expecting quick moves in the market. For ask, that shows me that people are buying these positions, and I want to see big money. So I want to see option contracts that are $100,000 or more. Then what I do, I go to my quick list right here, the top flow, and I'm going to go for something bullish, and I'm going to look for something that has a lot of contracts. So Tesla. So I'm going to click on Tesla. And just off this, you can see right around 10 o'clock this morning, we had a lot of activity coming in for Tesla, 4 days till expiration. And these are a lot of out the money strikes came in. So if you would have seen this big contract right here, that would have been a big bullish indicator that $400,000 was bullish on Tesla for a short-term option contract. So let's look at the chart and see what's going on. So I'm going to type Tesla. So Tesla right here, perfect. Look at this beautiful move that happened today. Tesla is running hard. Looks like it's up 2.6% on the day, which is really good for short-term option contracts. The first contract came in right here, and we had some more come in here. And as you can see, it ran from $181 all the way up to $186 at the high. So let's look at it and see what would happen. So we go to trade here, and we were to do the, as you can see, all these option contracts right here, we have a net change of 2.45, 2.22, 1.85, 1.46. Remember, from my option contract traders, these contracts gained $200 in value just in a few minutes today trading. So this is a wonderful opportunity, just how you can see that reading option flow that you can see on TradeUI can quickly find you winners in the market to give yourself a trading edge. You can track unusual flow as well, and it'll populate everything with the ticker you've selected here. And once you go down and break it down with your technical analysis, you can find a day trading setup to give yourself that trading edge to 10x these accounts. Like I said, if you go back here and we look at trade, this contract is up $2.10. So it means to open roughly around $4.35. So that's actually a 50% return just on one trade. If you compound a 50% return on multiple trades and you get consistent, you will 10x those accounts. You will get the opportunity to quit that job you hate. But it takes time, it takes learning through our videos we have on the site, and it takes using the right tools. And if you want the right tools, utilize TradeUI's option flow indicator because it gives yourself the trading edge and helps you find winners before they run. Guys, I really hope you enjoy this video. Check out more videos we have on the channel. Go ahead and give a like, comment on what kind of information you want to see so I know what kind of information to give you to make you a better trader. We also have a Discord that I'd love for y'all to check out where we actually help others become better traders as well. All of the links are in the description below, guys. But at the end of the day, TradeUI is going to give you that edge, and we hope to sharpen those blades with you. Alright guys, I'm going to end it here.